boys and girls. I am at the farm where the video was taken that you just watched. For our writing lesson today, you are going to write 3 facts that you have learned about calves. I am going to share 3 things with you that I learned from the video. I learned that calves walk soon after they are born. Capital C A L V E S, walk, w all k, soon, s oo n, and 2 O's make the oo sound. Calves walk soon after A F T E R. Now I'm going to do a return sweep and I'm going to write the word they, and that is one of our sight words. T H E Y R, and that is another sight word. A R E, born. B or and a period at the end. Calves walk soon after they are born. Another thing that I learned was that calves can drink milk from a bottle. And I'm starting another sentence, so I'm going to do a capital C A L V E S, and now I'm going to write the word can. K A drink, jur, and the letters D and R make that blend sound jur. Ink. Calves can drink milk. If. I'm going to do a return sweep and I'm going to write our sight word from. F R O M, a bottle. B O T T L E, and a period at the end. Another thing that I learned was that calves stay in a hutch for 2 months. Capital C A L V E S, stay, st, a, in, I, n, a, hutch, H, U, T, C, H. Calves stay in a hutch, and there's the ch sound at the end of the word hutch. And I'm going to do a return sweep, and I'm going to write the word for, and that is another sight word. F O R, 2 T W O, and 2 is another one of our sight words. Months. M O N T H S, and a period at the end. Now I'm going to reread the 3 things that I learned about calves. I learned that calves walk soon after they are born. Calves can drink milk from a bottle. Calves stay in a hutch for 2 months. Have fun with your writing.